Hi, my name is Enara. I'm the co-founder for Ravona Naturals and welcome to R-rated self-care. So at Ravona, we believe in self-care simplified. The market is cluttered with information and we thought let's bring in a few people, industry specialists, people from everyday life, influencers, just come and talk about self-care, how to simplify it and touch upon key points to make our lives a little bit less complex than they already are. If you like this kind of a concept and are interested to know more, please like, watch this video, comment and share along. Let's begin. At Ravona, we're having a Why Should Girls Have All the Fun campaign going on. So it was apt that we had the first episode be about male self-care with the boys. So boys, please introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Gaurang. I love adult coloring books. I was introduced to all my self-care by Anara, and I know how to use moisturizer now.
My name's Alec, and I own a clothing brand. And I know very little about self-care, whatever my girlfriends taught me, but that's all that I know about
That's
as of now.
So hi, I'm Sahil and I work as an equity analyst and I don't know shit about skincare or self-care and I'm 25 years old but I haven't used a single product.
Shame. Okay, so we have a range here. Someone who doesn't know anything to a little to maybe a little bit more. Okay. What do you think self-care is?
Taking a bath after I play football because my sister says that I stink the room.
Okay.
Like basic hygiene, I feel is where I draw the line.
Just basic hygiene.
Basic hygiene is at best. Like some days she has to remind me there's like conditioner after shampoo, stuff like this. And
But do you think that's necessary? You think कि हाँ मेरे को conditioner लगाना चाहिए shampoo के बाद?
नहीं, मेरे को नहीं, like that's a thing. I feel like that's a thing made up by like brands. Because to me, a lot of these things were introduced to me by my sister as if it's just at home. But when I traveled a little bit for work and I didn't use them and I felt the same. So then how do you like?
कुछ change नहीं मालूम पड़ा.
Yeah,
You didn't feel like your hair was softer or something.
Have you seen my hair?
Okay, fair. But then that's why you should be using curly hair products, no?
Is that a thing?
That is a thing.
That is a
I'm
thing.
sure that that's the thing.
I haven't used comb in the last 10 years. So to me, all of this stuff is just ये भी होता है.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. Alec, what do you think self-care is?
For me, it's not as product related as it is mental space related as well. But of course, when it comes to external stuff, self-care for me, just being as clean as I can at all times. From the smallest things, like I'm very particular about how I look. So it could be getting my eyebrow perfect, my haircut perfect. The small things, but it's not that product related, I would say.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the small nuances that kind of make self-care a wholesome.
A whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Sahil?
For me, self-care will be eating good food, sleeping on time.
Damn.
मतलब वही अच्छा खाना खाओ, अच्छे टाइम पे सो, so like your skin will glow. That is what my mom has told me.
Fair.
No, that is fair.
Okay, but talking about your mom, because I had met her and auntie had bola tha she used to work with some skincare brand before. She never put anything to you
That's
कि
it.
ये use करो, वो use करो,
I
कुछ
think
नहीं.
the most exotic product she must have put is that chana dal on my skin.
Okay, fine.
That's it. Yeah, I don't know.
तो
You tell me.
तो बचपन से no products.
No products.
Zero. Just eat
Zero.
well.
Eat well, sleep well.
हाँ, बस.
exercise well.
So
Okay.
I'm different than them because I've used product growing up, but like not product. Like my mom would be like put multani matti, for example. I don't know what it does, but I've used it.
हाँ, because मम्मी ने बोला.
Mom
use
has
करो.
said put it, so I put it, and it's not like I'd put it myself.
हाँ.
If she'd be putting it for herself, she'd be like, sit down, I'll put it for you.
Okay.
Stuff like put oil in your hair once a week. She'd do it. I wouldn't do it myself, but I've used product growing up.
Okay.
A little.
So the common denominator is that the women in your life have put on to you
Yeah, that's
anything around self-care.
That's
so
fair.
there's girlfriend, there's mom, there's sister.
Yeah.
But if they hadn't introduced, ऐसा कभी मन नहीं हुआ कि like इतना shelves पे you're going to a grocery store or a retail store and you see so much available and all these influencers talking about things and telling you what's new in the market. You never felt like देखते हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है.
To me, it was a lot of like post football. Like I used to play football for school. So post football, someone would bring in a face wash. So I'd be like, "Oh, what do you have?" And then we'd go ham at it because for some people, to carry stuff was
Hmm.
even more boring. You play at 5 in the morning, then you have to go to school, stuff like
Yeah.
that. So for us, we'd be like, oh, someone else has bought it. Now it's convenient for me to
Use it, huh?
So might as well use it for my hands, use it by my face, whatever. Wherever I have mud on me, I'm gonna get it clean using the same face wash. I don't care.
हाँ.
Face wash नहीं है, hand wash ही ठीक है. Because who's gonna take the effort to pack in the morning was a thing for us. I think Sahil ने भी बहुत similar experiences किए थे.
So the same thing, एक product सबके लिए use करो, 3 in
Yeah.
1, 2 in 1, everything.
Yeah, and also कि मैंने लिया नहीं है प्रोडक्ट, वो
हाँ.
है बस मेरे हाथ के सामने.
किसी ने दिया
Free में मिल
वापस.
रहा है.
तो वही तो
Yeah.
कभी मन नहीं होता कि खुद से जाके ले ले.
No, for perfume, I feel like I went out of my way. Now that I work and I have to go and out and I mean work in sales, so I have to go out and meet people.
Yeah.
Which includes a lot of traveling. So when I'm traveling in the sun, I get very sweaty very easily. Which makes me stinky as well. And that has resulted in me going out of my way to research, read about what perfume lasts the best. Stuff like this, you know, ki, what is convenient to use. For example, मैं perfume football के bag में carry करता था. I've broken them
हाँ.
because
So out of
Gosh.
basically extreme necessity is when you would feel like, हाँ, I should now fix
हाँ, मतलब
this.
दूसरे लोग ने point out किया कि गौरव
हाँ.
कार विंडो नीचे कर.
हाँ.
अभी
Okay.
हम नहीं बैठ सकते यहाँ पे.
Fair.
बहुत देर तक.
Okay. Okay.
So that was new. Have you faced something like this where you've gone out of your way, you've picked up something for yourself?
No, for me, like you asked, when you go to the grocery store, like for example, I'm out of body wash, I'm going to buy the most. I don't have brand loyalty in
Huh.
this product section. I would say whatever looks the fanciest and coolest and is affordable at the same time is what I'm going to get. So I always, when I was younger, there was this green color. I forgot what it's called. It used to look so fancy. That's the only reason I would buy it.
Okay.
But I wouldn't know what's the bonus of getting this. Does it actually help me? It's just fancy. It looks good, so I used to get it.
So
Does it-
packaging or
packaging is a huge factor.
Same
Yeah.
thing. Growing up, there was this thing called beer shampoo.
हाँ.
And
Yeah.
I just bought it because like
For sure.
Beer,
Beer
shampoo,
has it, yeah.
पीने नहीं मिल
Yeah.
रहा है, लगा लेते बाहर में.
beer bottle to me, that was like
Fancy enough to
Green
get
up
it. Yeah.
Okay, fair. So, I mean, we've talked about products and things like that, but as Alec mentioned, that
Yeah.
self-care is not just, you know, product-based, it's also what you do for yourself. So, you eat right and you sleep well. But then, are there any other, like, hygiene or self-care for, like, your mental health or, like, keeping clean or things that you do in your life that, you know, are more particular to male self-care more than maybe what maybe women wouldn't do, or just that you keep to yourself?
Not that I think of. See, for us, another really, it would be common for us because all of us play football, is that we get injured a lot. So we have injury like balms, for example, or rally spray, or things like that are far more useful for us in our use case. But in terms of things that we do, we whatever we are taught, like you said, whatever moms, sisters, whatever is passed on to us is what we ingrain.
Yeah.
And you asked why you feel that is. The reason I think is you'll never see when you consume content, you see so many women tell each other you should get this product is good, but we don't have that circle.
Yeah.
In like for example, if we were just sitting, the guys, we talk about shoes
Huh.
or like like for example, we're talking about cargos now. We talk about clothes.
Yeah.
That's very inane for us, but. You never see us talk about product because it's just something that's probably never happened in our lifetimes.
So so for like what you're saying for men is like it's more a band-aid kind of thing to look better instead of like healing the actual thing that's underneath.
For sure. Yeah, and it's a very
So, like, ऊपर
only
से
if
ढक
need
लो.
be.
हाँ.
Yeah, only if need be. Like you said, emergency situations
हाँ.
is when unless it's pointed on, like Gaurang is saying, if they're telling him to roll the window down in his
Yeah.
car, then he realizes that there's a problem to solve.
There's actually. Okay. So do you guys think, I mean, you're getting influenced by your moms, your girlfriends and everything. Do you think skincare and self-care is different for men and women, or you end up using the same products that they tell you to use?
Yeah, I think it's very different for men and women.
Okay.
I think because like biologically men and women are different. So
Ah,
you
but-
need different things. Like
I'll give you a
just
simple
look at us.
example.
Like we play in the sun, mud, but still our skin is like I think it's fine. But I think girls are more prone to
Because
those-
there are hormone
Yeah,
imbalances
exactly.
and stuff.
I'll also give an
Exactly.
example to this. I have realized that there's something called beard oil.
Hmm.
I personally have never used it, but I know for a fact that people out there use it. And obviously it's for people with a beard. Generally, women don't have beard.
Hmm.
If you want to keep it, bro, that's on you. I fully respect it.
Yeah.
That's your decision. But to me, that was a product that was introduced to me by the internet, by influencers saying that, hey, if you have a really good beard, or if you don't have a beard at all, please use this because this helps growing it and maintaining it. Now, I personally have a patchy beard. I've never bought it, but I have seen those ads where they go from patchy
Before,
to like
after.
full massive
Huh.
Santa
Before,
Claus
after.
But they look
beard, and
very
I'm so
gimmicky.
impressed.
Very gimmicky.
No, but also a lot of products are baseline can be used by everyone. For example, the moisturizer I use and my girlfriend use are the exact
Same.
It's
This
the
was
exact
saying
same
Correct.
thing.
all my life I've used
So-
my sister's products and I don't think it makes any difference.
Yeah.
No, for me,
No,
I
difference
personally.
is in terms of your skin, or difference if either she uses it or I use it, it's the
Yeah, I
same.
think if the product is good enough,
Then it makes
yeah,
sense.
it'll help you out regardless of your gender.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair.
When I got paid, the first thing I did was, you see all these influencers and you see like podcasts and stuff where they like invest in yourself.
Huh.
In your 20s, invest in yourself. They'll go like, ki, skincare kar, tu gym ja, do something for your body, do something for your mind, right? That's when I reached out to Inara and I was like, since you have a skincare brand, how do I go about this? Because I know it's going to affect like my entire life. And skin is like one of the things that people notice about you the most, I think, after hair. And growing up, I had glasses, so I didn't have to do anything about my face. Now I have a beard also. So everything is covered.
Yeah.
I don't take that much effort into, oh, I have a pimple.
Hmm.
Oh, I have a scar.
Yeah, but women will notice that.
See, women are
Because
shallow like that.
we're
I'm
yeah,
progressive.
exactly. So we're so
I'm
okay.
so progressive.
We're so into skincare, at least then that, if there's a face in front of us, we'll see that. Like, कि क्या problem है, कैसे fix करे. Like, that's
Okay,
always the
so
mindset.
honest opinion. There's a person in front of you that you don't know. Let's say he's a person.
Is this
He's a
person-
male in his 20s,
Huh.
late 20s. What is the first thing that you notice about his skin? Like, let's say it's just.
Is
some
it
random
clear or
person.
not? That's
Or is
it.
it clear?
Yeah.
Now, what do you mean clear? Like, does he have a?
You can
patchy
see him
beard?
clearly, or his face clearly.
No, as in like, is his face clear?
Is his face clear?
Yeah.
No, forget that. If you see somebody, what's the first thing you notice about their skin? Like the marks, the.
Yeah, that's what, like, the first thing would obviously, if they have a pimple, I'll notice the pimple.
Really?
That's the
Come
thing.
on, like,
Are you
I refuse
serious?
to believe
Yeah.
that.
What if like we reverse it? Like
What?
yeah, exactly.
That's fine. Y'all can notice
So
that.
men's
It's okay.
mental
Because what's the first thing y'all notice? The muchi on top.
No.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, that's not true. For me, it's the outfit.
That's
I'll
the
not
one that
notice-
you're gonna look and then be like, nahi, okay, bye.
No, that's
like
not
that's
true.
what
I
are you
don't-
gonna
I
do?
don't believe that.
Why do you think that women
Yeah,
are
if it's better
always
than me, then
talking
I'm
about?
offended, obviously.
No, but why do you think girls are always talking about facial hair and stuff, and like why do they do it? It's
Yeah,
because.
they all want me to shave. And then when I say it, it's offensive.
But that's because it's for like intimate relations. Shaves better.
No one's getting intimate here. My point was, half of our lives, we have a lot of expectation as to growing a good beard, right?
That makes
So to
look
me,
more money.
my facial skincare has been very progressive towards. There's a lot of myths also. They'll be like, "Ki tu blade use kar." The more blade you use, the
But
better
that's not a
your
myth.
beard
That
will
is
be.
Because it grows
That's
back
it.
softer.
It grows back thicker.
thicker. If you shave versus trimming, so at least that's what you're told. You
That's
don't
why
know the-
they tell women don't shave because
Yeah.
the hair's gonna grow back
Yeah.
thicker.
You guys
Yeah.
thread.
Okay, that's not a myth then. Myth.
No, it's not a myth.
No, that's not a myth.
Yeah.
I mean, it's actually a myth.
No, it doesn't.
So there's a
Just
whole
blame.
debate
I'm
around
not
it. Some people say it's a myth or some people not. But in what I see it in the most logical sense, if you are going to pull it out of a root, then yeah, like, it's going to grow back soft again because it's a new one. But if you're going to cut it in the middle, it's that same hair that was growing
makes
that's
sense,
growing
yeah.
back again.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So your hair is already thick. You're shaving it. That thick hair only is growing longer, no? That's it.
Nice.
Logic.
So this is how it's supposed to be.
But I really disagree with what you said because I would not notice the person's skin, facial hair,
First.
anything first.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. It's very subjective. Like for you
Yeah.
might notice the skin.
No, as in it wouldn't be like, for example, if a guy is walking towards me or if I would notice his skin if I am interested in that. guy.
Like if you're going on a
If I
date or
am
something.
not interested in that guy, I really don't care.
care. Okay. fair enough.
That's the
So how
whole
do I get
space
this
around it.
invested to me if it's my skin? For example, like now I know what a moisturizer is. I actively use a moisturizer twice a day from this, right? So let's say if you have to give like one free skincare tip to like all the men out there listening,
Yeah.
you'd be like, "ये तो करना ही चाहिए as a man."
Only
As a
one
man,
thing.
Yeah, you
Only
most-
one
most
thing
important.
I think.
Okay, we'll be generous.
Two things.
Two things.
Two things is fair.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, one, use a body wash. Please clean yourselves completely, entirely. And two, sunscreen. Because even if you skip a moisturizer, sunscreen is the one that's the most like leading towards problems, whether it's hyperpigmentation, whether it's like, you know, getting tanned and things like that, and cancer, obviously the bigger space. So sunscreen is the one thing that, you know, use, and body wash. Just keep yourselves clean.
Sunscreen.
That's what I
No,
would.
but I feel body wash is very unanimous. These two guys are the first people I've heard and
No.
met who've been like this.
I'll tell you how it works. I will use what is there in the bathroom in my house. Growing up, I shared the bathroom with my sister, so I'd use all her products. But I wouldn't actively know what I'm using.
What if she had a floral, lavender flavored body
I
wash?
went to school smelling floral. It's your lucky day. Because honestly, it was the Axis, as I've said earlier. Like, it was Axis.
Bit
Safe
cleaner.
to say that body washes are a better recommendation than most soaps.
Yeah. The only thing with body washes also is, see, if you have really dry skin, then try to pick up those body washes that are sulfate, paraben free, and maybe less foaming, because foam is a really big like myth. Foam and sulfates and parabens actually end up drying out your skin. So
I thought
that's
the
why
more
people
is-
end up liking soaps more. Does that make sense? Like, it at least hydrates you.
I thought the more foam there is, the cleaner you are.
No, it's more fun, but that doesn't mean
Yeah.
that doesn't mean it's actually helping your skin as much.
My question is, for example, you said, what did you say? Sulfate, you some big word. What
Huh.
was it?
Sulfate and paraben. Yeah.
And then when you gave me the moisturizer, you said this has this thing in it which will, what you said,
Hyaluronic acid.
So how do you go from somebody who is completely
Okay, so that's what our photographer is just like pointing to himself, and उसने ये point बुलाया था कि अगर मेरे को कोई बैठ के समझाएगा नहीं कि ये क्या है, मेरे
how
को
do you
समझ में
know
नहीं आएगा कि
what
like
is
what's
meant
going
for
on.
what?
So what do you guys expect from a brand who's selling skincare, who's selling self-care to you? How to tell you better? And what would make you buy it then?
Like, I honestly don't have the time. Like, I'm being this is very generic meme. But if I haven't forgotten my phone in the bathroom, that's the only time I'm reading the ingredients of any product. Hair care, skincare. I have never gone to a grocery store and I've looked at कि अच्छा इसमें paraben है कि नहीं?
No, but that's what she's asking you.
So my
if you
point is-
if she would want to educate you about
Yeah.
this, what would be the means that you would?
So that's what I'm saying. So if there is a brand that is doing this, ये तो basic तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
Yeah.
So if there is a brand that is generally also telling me this, if there's content out there and someone like if I get it and I send it to you saying that bro, this person is so saying don't use this, and I think your shower has it because the other day I was taking a dump at your house and I read about it. Like, my point is that.
So there's this case study on this Brazilian toilet paper brand. Brazilians also use water like us, but then they wanted to push the idea of toilet paper there, and they wanted to increase their sales. So they'd ask their team like, "SS sales increase karo," and everything. And the idea that ended up working is that they started when you're on the pot, you're reading a book or you're reading the products as you mentioned. So they printed the toilet paper
So you
with
have
like
some
stories and things like that. So
material.
then the use of toilet paper increased because people are reading it instead of using it they should be using it. So
Damn, that's very
that
nice.
was
How do I get this? I'm still going to use water, but I need something to read.
yeah. So that was the whole idea. So you're saying that maybe like products can make it simpler on their packaging of what it's about.
No, I'll tell you what. For me, the words. For example, what you said. The
Breaking it down.
The more complicated the terminology is, the more intimidating it is. Because I don't know how do I go about understanding what the use of this is.
So instead of saying no like oxybenzone or some oxybenzone or like which is a big chemical word or something, saying no harsh
that's
chemicals.
gibberish to all of us. I don't think.
Or saying no harsh chemicals. Is that better?
Yeah, something like that. But this thing more is like, for example, you said say that
Hyaluronic acid.
That's good for your thing. So say extra moisturizing for dry skin, for example. So the most common basic.
Yeah.
A dumb person should be able to understand it terminology.
Okay.
I feel like if I can directly relate it to what is happening with my skin, it's winter, I'm feeling dry, it hydrates me.
Extra moisture.
Extra moisturizing, hydrating, stuff like that really helps me. Because I'll be like, okay, this is for the winter.
See, I'll tell you, like, growing up, skincare for me was like that ad which, like, when you apply that cream and you'll be 10 shades lighter. So, see, that thing stuck in my head.
Yeah.
So, you'll have to make something very simple, but not misleading like that product. but make it simple and where it sticks like
In the head.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Huh. So the way, like, for example, a lot of like vitamin C ads, the point of vitamin C is that it's a brightening product. It increases the glow on your skin or makes your skin brighter.
Yeah.
So a lot of brands pitch it as in 30 days, look at the difference between your skin from this to this. So that's more easier to learn for you guys
Yeah.
rather than
Yeah.
saying,
Before and after.
yeah, before and after, instead of like a vitamin C is an antioxidant,
Yeah,
da da da,
no,
like
no
all of
fancy
that.
terms.
No fancy terms.
I feel
Makes
like
sense.
there is so many products now, and every brand has 10 different products which is working for 10 different things.
Yeah.
And when I go out there, I'm at the store, or like if I'm ordering online,
Hmm.
I am scrolling through something
Hmm.
and I have options. I will never realize कि ये मेरे लिए है कि नहीं.
Okay, so that's why like at Ravona we do like 2-in-1 to 3-in-1 products, and I think we'll do that segment where I'll make you try some products, and then you guys can figure out what it actually is and what all it puts stuff together.
And I want like
Sometimes-
real people showing the results, no actors
Yeah.
telling me. "Yeah,
So like
Yes,
not
yes.
model faces, but someone
No, but
actually using
even
in
if
their
it is a model or a actor, as long as it's male now, it's more relatable for us. So earlier, if you see the ads, they were very female dominated when we were children.
Okay, but
Industry.
abhi only you guys said that, like, you know, it's the women in your life who have convinced you to use skincare or to think about self-care. But when someone's talking about it, you still want a man on the camera.
Yes.
Somewhat.
Getting into my life was her.
Hmm.
But now, if I go out and do my own research, I wanted to see it on a man.
Hmm.
Is how I see it.
Okay.
Now I understand what is she using.
No, but you know, another weird thing is what you said. If, for example, I had a friend who was younger, Gaurang's my friend. When I'm younger and he tells me, bro, you use this product, it will really help you, I'll find it more credible than you telling.
Forget
Okay.
skincare. I've picked up a friend on this podcast.
Okay, so we'll kind of transition into a different space where we spoke about products and such so much, but let's talk about self-care also includes mental health care. So in that sense, that's something that again is another space that gets pitched to women very easily. And also we've been told to take care of ourselves, and like we looked after a little bit more in terms of mental health care than men have. And that's again, like, just as like male skincare is growing, men healthcare also is growing and going into a space. So what do you think about mental health care and how does that affect your life and such?
I think skincare is the last thing that is going to come to mind.
No, that's fair. But
Yeah.
what you're saying also is a really like quick fix, which also I feel like we see across a lot of men, where like कुछ गलत हुआ है लाइफ में, जाके कुछ खा लेता हूँ, like, you know, I'll go play and with my boys
Yeah.
and I'll be fine. Like, you know,
Dust
but then
it off.
the deeper level of like why that problem was there, how it's actually affecting your daily life on the back end,
Yeah.
that never gets spoken about, or like that you probably don't look into. It's like आपने band-aid लगा दिया, काम खत्म. Like,
Not necessarily. See, like everything we've spoken today, it's very subjective to your upbringing and what your this thing is.
Sort of an environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you're speaking is like somewhat relevant because most men are like dusted off. It's okay, I'm fine. But I mean, it depends on who you're. Like for example, for me, my EQ is high, so I do go through. I do feel everything, and like I make sure I'm aware of it as well.
To
But-
stop you, what is EQ? Just-
Like emotional coefficient,
yeah.
how much you can, your range of feeling and emotion. So for me, I feel like I'm very high on the EQ this thing because I do feel things. I might not be the most expressive, but for example, I'm feeling bad about something. I'm aware of
You
it
get
and I
into
know.
that space, yeah.
And I acknowledge it. Okay, fine. The situation is such, and it'll take me time. I'll be fine in a few days. But what you are saying is a very male thing that if I play football,
हाँ.
and that is true for me.
हाँ.
Or if I go for a run, or if I do some kind of physical activity, I am going to feel better at the
Correct.
end of this.
Okay.
I don't know if it works the same for you guys. Like maybe shopping, or maybe you guys also like a sport.
Yeah, I
or-
mean, retail therapy is a thing, but
Yeah.
that doesn't mean we don't like. I feel like a lot of women still like will rant about it to their friends, whatever is going on, and still like get it out of their system. You know, that for us, it's
even
always like
boys-
get it out.
even
But with
boys
boys,
will
it's
do
like,
that, but we'll be like, एक बार बोल दिया बस हो गया. There'll be no
Yeah.
like
वापस
communication. बस एक
You
बार
don't
बोल
need
दिया
an answer
and
for
then
it. You
yeah,
just need someone
exactly.
to listen.
Listen,
yeah.
Like all good boyfriends, I feel.
No,
that's the whole thing. Now we don't want logic. We want just listening people. Like that's the whole. That's
Yeah.
what.
Yeah.
So do you guys usually prefer logic? Like, you know, when you have something and you just said कि boys को बता देता
हाँ,
हो,
boys को बता देते हैं,
but
and then-
सिर्फ सुनना है कि चाहिए कि उसका advice देवे?
कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Nothing.
Yeah.
like बस बोल दिया चलो वही खेलते हैं.
Okay.
Let's
I feel like that also results in a lot of endorphin release again. So when you do play a sport, when you do run,
Yeah.
when you are with the boys, when you do eat something nice, you feel better instantly. So it's the activity that you're doing with the people that you like, rather than talking about doing the activity or talking about how you've done something already and it has made you feel in a way.
Okay. No, fair. But don't you think it's important to talk about this problem that's reoccurring in your life with someone to try to figure out
See,
what's
look,
there?
I'll give you to make it make more sense. The bigger the problem, the more likely we are to talk about it. For example, if there is an issue which needs to be addressed, for example, I have a business partner who's my best friend as well. So if there is something I feel in my life which isn't sitting well with me, I make sure I discuss it with him more as a best friend than anything else. But I feel it really depends. For example, I also know women who instantly, like for example, something really bad happens and have the power to bounce back. So it depends, like I'm saying, it's so subjective on your EQ and your ability to be like, okay, this has happened, bro, I'm going through this right now, I'll be fine, but what do you think? Or I just wanted to tell you, kind of scene. So it depends person to person. Like I'm very like I'll tell you that I'm feeling bad about this now, but maybe I'll be fine in 2 days. But I just wanted to tell you, get it out of my system.
So
Again.
you also get it out of your
Yeah.
Again, this is like talking about those male influencers that have come up that we haven't seen yet that talk specifically about skincare. I think there's people out there just talking about men's mental health that
Yeah.
we're not aware of.
It's far more relevant now.
And specifically for our generation, it has come up now. I don't
Quite
think it
a
was
bit, yeah.
relevant thing before, like the generation that preceded us, but also the fact that they are okay with the fact that we're talking about this. It's a huge step for them.
Yeah, that's my other question of like, how are your parents being affected by this? Have they come up recently to come and talk to you about something that's going on? Just because this is a concept that we're also learning, and at the same time they're also understanding that these big issues are happening and we should be talking to our kids about it. So is there any change in your parents with that perspective? Because Indian parents are in a particular way, they don't speak so much or like, get
Acknowledge
in
these
there, acknowledge
things.
acknowledge mental health. Because my dad will be like, Dimag ka doctor, like, okay, now you read my mind, but that's not the point.
Okay, what
like,
else?
exactly. So then has there been a change with your parents in that sense that they...
I also have elder siblings who are like my parents.
Correct.
And luckily, they have been very supportive of, Gaurang is not feeling nice today. You get him you give him space, or you get him something that he wants to do, or you let him be just for enough time so that he can process how he feels, as Alex said earlier. So I think that specifically has come in from my siblings. If you have siblings, you would know.
So they
how
become
that
your
affects.
bridge.
They become a bridge. Then they go ahead and they tell my parents. I can go ahead and tell my parents, but because I'm the youngest in my family, it affects them in a different way where they brush it off, saying that ये तो कुछ ना कुछ बोलते ही रहता है every now and then. Like he will say something today, kal it won't last, stuff like this. But it has affected massively when it comes to my eldest sister. Again, the skincare queen in the house, where she has taken a very good stance on, you're angry right now. This is not a conversation we're having when you're angry. We will have a conversation when you've processed this. That is a massive step my nuclear family has taken, where we don't communicate when we're angry. We process it and talk about it, which is coming only after.
So she's been that stronghold that to put that pause into like.
Putting my foot down and not having a conversation when you're shouting. You come back to a tone that we can speak and have a conversation.
Then
it's a conversation, or that you can scream in the room and we'll all leave.
Yeah,
that's on you.
I think that's something like even with working parents, they bring that load of work at home, which triggers that kind of emotion of that loudness also. That's a good calm down, and then we'll have this conversation.
You have siblings?
Yeah, I have a younger brother.
Achha, so you have to be the
bridge.
But like at my place, I don't know how should I put it out there, but like ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि you will be sad. Like we just come, sit together, discuss, and like घर पे पहले से बोला कि we'll find a solution for everything.
Yeah.
So you don't need to stress about it कि
so it's a problem solution thing. Yeah.
My family doesn't even realize when we are.
Like both of them and my brother also like understanding है. कुछ भी problem है बोलते stress नहीं लेना है. Solution आ जाएगा. You don't have to think brood about it.
So very problem solving. Yeah. That's
so
nice.
Very chill. It's not a thing that we discuss. कि अरे ये sad होगा. Because we know कि कुछ भी होगा
we'll figure it out.
Discuss and we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also a plus, because either you can laugh about it, You
हाँ
can stress about it, or you can be like, कि चल देखते हैं फिर कुछ
क्या
करते
करते हैं
हैं.
हाँ
What
That's
can
why
be done?
solution.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
can be
tell
done?
you.
Usually people will get
ये
mad.
बंदे नॉर्मल बंदे के इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं लाइक
For a man?
yeah for a man like what do you think the problems will be or can be
Okay, where do I start? Where do
I
you
think
want me to start?
generally like what, because I have a brother too. I mean, and I have cousin brothers too. Like the men thing is the financial thing, or
Yeah.
like proving themselves in the job or earning
Yeah.
money. Like that at this age, at least it's that. Like
Yeah.
that okay, parents are going to retire one day. I have to be the man of the house and like be able to provide for them, be able to provide for my sister and things like that. So I think that's one of the key areas where any of the mental health issues come. They come because of that.
Yeah.
I think
So there's
that's
a
one
pressure on you
space.
that you don't even know about.
Yeah.
And then you're like कि अभी क्या
अब क्या करें,
You
हाँ.
hit 22 and they're like अच्छा फिर अभी and then the world
कॉलेज
is
हो
like,
गया है अभी
हाँ तू पैसे
हाँ.
क्यों नहीं कमा रहा है like
Right.
what whereas like how have you not made a name for yourself.
Hmm.
I feel like there's a lot of professions also that go through this. For example, if you're a doctor, you're just born with pressure. Like I go out to my friends who are not even a specialist in that field and be like, I have like stomachache, do something about it right now. So I think that also is very common. Based on like what work you do, it affects your mental
Mental.
health directly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have no siblings.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
I
about
have
you?
no siblings.
So how does that work?
So I've been pampered my whole life. I'm not the, even if I sulk for a second, they're like, what
क्या
happened?
हुआ?
Are you fine? Is everything?
Sameer ko मारो, आप Sameer.
एक ही एक्सपेरिमेंट का ध्यान देते हैं.
Yeah. And I'm the youngest in my entire extended family as well. So I've been my
Yeah.
entire, Nani, Nana, like even if I'm sick, I'll get 10 calls from all my relatives. Are you fine? Is everything okay? What happened? So I've been pampered my whole life, but at the same time, my parents are very, very, I have a lot of wiggle room that, okay, you're not feeling good, it's fine. Don't want to study. When I was younger, which was then, mental health was still not such a big thing, but my parents have always been like, you're not feeling, you don't want to study, don't study. And that's the most, when I would say this in school, everyone would be like, your parents are the best.
Yeah.
How do we trade lives with you? Because they've never put any pressure. They're like, it's fine. You see what you want to do.
So,
Figure it out for yourself.
Yeah.
Even like, for example, I'm 25. I own my own clothing brand. If anybody else, when I started off, of course, now we're successful and whatever it worked out. But when I started out, a lot of parents would be like, are you sure this is going to bring the money? Can you take care of the house?
Yeah.
Will you be bringing? So fortunately, I didn't have those pressures. But siblings-wise, it's very different, I feel, when you have a sibling versus when you're a lone child. So that's a big benefactor
Yeah.
for me.
and all your attention is on you
Yeah.
So that I was a benefactor of that, but it's very subjective.
You guys think that ads were more influential then than they are now?
Yeah, for
Like
sure.
what's like abhi ad ki you
I can-
think?
no,
ke-
I'll tell you because like we are not watching TV
हाँ.
TV पे we have to compulsory like watch those
The ads, correct.
अभी क्या you can skip but
But
now
coming
people
back.
are using Instagram तो Instagram पे of course like they are holding
No,
the
and
ads.
another thing is ads. Those were your only means of ads before.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, every day you're watching ads all the time. Many ads. So the thing is,
Any
nothing
feed you're
influences
watching-
you so much. Because before वो एक ad दिखता था कि cool, this is
That's
crazy. Now
bad.
you're seeing ads the whole day. So you're like everything is basically
But nothing
Yeah,
catchy.
promoted.
Not,
That's
like,
another
but
thing.
those ads used to have a catchy thing. Like wo jo 12 shades darker.
Yeah.
It plays on or 12
I remember
shades
it.
lighter. Sorry,
I remember
plays
it
on
years
the whole thing.
after.
Or like the Nirma ka tune.
Oh,
you know, you
wow.
remember.
Was
But
it?
then now, like, have you had any like new age ads that jiska tune tumhe yaad rakha? Like, for example, that Jacqueline Fernandez ka Dancing with the Boxers ad, I remember because that's so vague. Like, I don't know what
No,
that
I don't
is.
know.
Yeah, I remember
This
this the
ad, I
one
wanna
which
watch it.
Ranveer Singh did with Johnny Sins. That's
Oh,
it.
that was a hard ad. Yeah, that was
I
a
also
hard
feel
ad.
like a cred has come out with. Am I supposed to see that? Sorry.
Say.
There is this brand where I can pay my credit card there. That brand does very specific ads towards our generation. Like they bring out those faces, they bring out those sort of people that have a certain way of saying things that will, like, they will just leave an impact. Like, for example, I've seen that Jim Sarb ad so many times while watching cricket or football that to me, I want to escape it now. Like, to me, the skip ad button is much more pleasurable than whatever's playing in the background. You could show me anything. But
Yeah.
that skip ad button.
Actually, I paid for YouTube
Just to skip the
Yeah.
ad.
Yeah, would you pay out of your way of an ad? For example,
But then, how would you then say like, how would you discover a product if you're not watching ads? How would you want to get discovered?
That's where
How do I
influencers
get
come
to-
in.
how do
Because
I get
it's
to
on an
know about new
ad.
things in the
yeah,
market?
yeah.
90% to me, I come across stuff by people that are working in that field. So, for example, if I have a friend that is working in clothing, Ali called me a friend.
But that is
Earlier in
a
this
very
podcast,
small
y'all
sample.
But that's
can't-
word
y'all
of
can't debate on
mouth.
this. Word of mouth is my go-to for 90% of the stuff.
That is the most influential.
I feel like the way that I work and everything that is happening in my life, like I have too much going on. I have work, I have family to take care of, I have probably like gym. अभी मेरे को self care भी अभी पता चल गया कि मेरे को करना भी है.
ad नहीं देखना
तो
है.
अभी मैं 30 मिनट यार मैं फेस वॉश और बॉडी वॉश लेने जा रहा हूँ और यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरे पास ad देखने का टाइम नहीं है.
What do you do for 30 minutes? What products are you using?
For 30 minutes stored in the bathroom.
It takes me like 5 minutes to put moisturizer and sunscreen max. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is it supposed to take
that's
longer?
no, it's
Okay.
supposed to take that
So what is
low.
my skincare time should be?
5 minutes.
5 minutes is
Yeah.
all it
Wash
takes.
your face,
Haven't you seen the ad?
moisturize,
Wash your
add
face
your
doesn't
lotion
count.
if you want.
Wash
and
your face is a
sunscreen
human.
khatas
If you're a human, you should wash your face. Skincare is
see.
the like
on top,
one layer.
which takes 2 minutes actually.
Yeah.
तुम एक cream लगाया,
Yeah, not
एक
even 2
sunscreen
minutes.
लगाया.
Like there's an ad which shows कि तेरा साबुन slow है, so you
हाँ.
have to be faster.
But
30
see,
minutes
most
is
women
way
don't
too
like
long.
fast at all. Let's say I play a sport for which I need, like I get injured a lot. My knees are always like brushed up. I get scratches a lot because people push and shove when it's football. Let's say basketball also. So does that also affect what sort of product I'm using on my body? And how do I figure out what am I using for my body? Because to me, skincare also, if you include it, it was, oh, you've been cut up here, put this.
Put ointment.
Put ointment and then put moisturizer in the night, you'll feel cold, you'll feel nice. Was that a thing? How, is that also skincare? Is that also self-care? How
Yeah.
do you differentiate?
It is. I mean, self-care is taking care of your body. Na? So if you've gotten hurt, take care of it. Like, you know, and that's more pharma grade. Skincare is more, skincare goes into beauty, like want, and pharma and taking care of cuts and bruises goes into need. That's the space behind it.
Mhm.
So need is like, I shouldn't be dying. And then want is, I want to look better. I want to look cleaner. I want to glow. That's the whole space between that.
So do you believe in that fact that people say you look good, you feel good?
Yeah, of course.
Is that a thing for you? That, okay, today my hair doesn't look as nice.
I'm
We
a
messed up a haircut.
I'm a very, because I'm in the fashion space, I'm very listening about how I personally look.
Okay.
It's very subjective,
Yeah,
but
I think there's sports a lot, but I have just one question. Like I think now the best people with skin, like good skin, are like a sports person like Virat Kohli or for the footballers Ronaldo, Messi.
No.
So how do they maintain it? I think we should discover more how they are maintaining.
No,
So
but you
sports,
can't take
because
that
because
into
sports in
account.
itself, like it's just about sweating out. Like when you're sweating, you're releasing all the toxins out of your body.
Yeah.
That's the whole point, which is why their skin looks better.
No,
so
but
that's
we
why
don't know how their skin looks.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Because see, what you see on Instagram
It's
and what you see
filtered.
online.
You never
Bro,
know.
when they go for the game, I'm telling you, I've seen videos where they get a hairstylist before the match to set their hair and then they go and
Ronaldo
play.
getting a haircut half-time, peak football moment.
Exactly. So they aren't. See, for example, what we look like now is proof that okay, this is what I naturally look like. I can tell, bro, your skin is nice. What do you do? Because I see you personally. But these guys set such standards now. Like for example, when you see online, the people who do have good skin and all, it's unreal. It's not normal.
Yeah, but generally, like being active is going to lead to better
Skin.
skincare.
That is
Eating well is going to lead to better skincare. So it's not just your surface level. आपने skincare लगा दिया. You have to be active. You have to eat well. Otherwise, that thing's going to keep happening. Like what else is going to be there?
So again, about this thing where he spoke about these people are behind a screen. And also, I'm assuming they've been doing it for years now. Because public appearance is such a thing.
And
Yeah.
also when they are showing their face, they've done tons of makeup.
Yeah.
They have tons of editing.
Yeah.
So
That day only I was telling you, like you couldn't figure out whether a woman has gotten fillers or no. But that filler
No,
means it's
I couldn't
unnatural
believe-
skin. Like,
Yeah,
you know?
I couldn't believe.
what?
She's like, her cheeks are fake, and I didn't know cheeks.
How do you,
Or like she's
How do
got
you tell that?
Botox
How do you-
done.
how do you tell
But that's because women who aren't getting it done or who are getting it done, because women are portrayed and looked into so much that our beauty, we know that, okay, like, you know, this is what's wrong with me, I need to fix it. So we know when someone's gotten it fixed because we know that these are the ways you can fix it.
Vitamin
And
C
then-
thing. Okay. Now my sister wakes up this every morning. She'll put the glass out. That's how I drink it. She'll put warm water. She'll take warm water. She'll squeeze the lemon and she'll take a sip of this.
Huh.
Eat this, drink, sip this. But I had this good minty fresh mouth from like
The toothpaste.
toothpaste, so I don't want to take a sip of that. So does that help? All of this stuff. where I take in natural ingredients
Hmm.
and I consume it. Do you think that really helps?
I think anything natural or organic helps better because that's something that's readily available. Like before any of these things came, Ayurveda was our space, right? Like where we
Okay.
would take care of ourselves and it was all through what's available. You know, it wasn't through what's
Unprocessed.
man-made.
Yeah.
It's not processed. So if it's something that's from the food that you're eating, obviously that's good for you. Unless you're allergic to it, unless your body reacts to it.
Fair.
Something from food is good.
Better.
Always nice.
Always nice.
recommend.
Yeah. Always like natural food, always recommend. So
Nice.
yeah. So we'll go around in our last questions and I'll start with Gaurang. If you could have any superpower but for only 24 hours, what would it be?
Flight. Straight up.
Flight. Okay.
Flight.
Fine. Alec, what's the most ridiculous fact you know about skincare?
Ridiculous fact. Drink water and your skin will become fine.
Okay, fair. Sahil, sheet masks or clay masks?
Clay masks for sure.
Okay. Gaurang, what's the weirdest ingredient you've ever tried in a skincare product?
That snail mucus thing, dude. And I didn't know is that snail pee?
It's the excretion, yeah, like you know when they're walking.
Yeah.
It's a medical term, so I don't know it's snail pee.
Okay. Alec, what is double cleansing?
Washing your face twice.
No idea.
Yeah.
Is it?
Fair, but with two different types of products. Yeah, especially if you have oily skin or you have makeup
first
on.
you use soap.
Okay, Sahil, do you prefer natural skincare products or those with scientifically proven ingredients?
Natural skincare products. I want all organic things.
Mm-hmm.
No chemicals on my face.
Okay. Okay. Gaurang, what's your favorite scent for skincare products?
It should smell like it's fresh.
Okay.
So lemon, zesty, lemony.
Okay. Alec, what's one skincare myth you wish people would stop believing?
Damn. I don't know any skincare myths. And if I knew them, I'd probably follow them. But I don't know any skincare.
Okay. Sahil, do you follow any skincare influencers or dermatologists online?
No. I didn't even know that skincare influencers exist.
Okay. Fair.
So, I'm kind of under the rock here.
Okay. Gaurang, what's the strangest place you've ever applied a skincare product?
Hey man.
That's something really personal.
Growing up, when you play football, you get hurt here and there, every now and then.
Here and
And
then.
everything is not medically proven, as I've realized. So once around my lower back area, I had to apply some moisturizer for a certain reason.
Okay. Alec, if you had to apply your entire skincare routine with just your feet, could you do it?
I could try. I'm a footballer. I could try. It might work.
Okay.
I can try.
Sahil, if you had to name your skincare routine like a movie title, what would it be called?
Thoda pyar, thoda magic.
Let me think.
Tararampam. That's so
That's the first thing that came to my mind. Tararampam, but I think Golmaal will be better because
Because it's
I just mix everything.
Everything.
okay,
yeah.
fair. Okay, nice. Okay, we're good. Thank you for playing this round. So we're gonna play a round where we have a couple of products here, some which are from Revona, some which we are planning to bring soon or so. And I would like for you to figure out what it is. We've covered the label so they don't know what the product is. They're gonna guess and then complete a routine on Gaurang. So let's
On
do
me?
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need it.
I think
You need it.
Going for sure.
Okay.
We'll do one at a time or what?
Yeah, one at a time.
I know these will go into eyes.
This will go into the
Inside the
eye.
eye.
Inside the eye.
Don't put it. I think first we should.
I think you should like show it like the.
Okay.
I think this is for the eyes because it's got a drop.
Dropper. Yeah.
Okay.
Probably.
Bro, I'm not putting anything in my eyes.
You have to. You have to. Let us.
I'm
Once,
the only one with specs.
if all of y'all are in agreement that this is for the eye, then I'll let you know whether it's not.
Yeah, it is for the eye. I'm sure. You?
Bro, you guys have said it. Plus, I've seen that eye drop a couple of
I've
times.
never seen anything with the eye dropper.
Okay, this is a serum, guys. It goes on your face. You can also use it on your body.
What?
It's
But how do you apply it?
basically serums are what they are is
Sure.
that these already also are in creams and lotions and such, but these are more potent because it's just the actual ingredient or acid that's being used. So this is the hyaluronic acid. It's for hydration. So if you have dry skin, you apply it.
But why is it in this? Why can't we?
Because
Or,
a cream involves a lot of different ingredients together put in to make that texture and to also get the effect that it does. But this is just that one ingredient.
It's the
Get-
purest.
It's the
No,
purest
but get a
form.
spray, no?
You can, so
Easy
that's
to-
a that's a
Yeah.
different packaging, and that's something we can explore after. But serums are the droppers are usually
So it's
just
an
there.
eyedropper. We can use it on
It's
Gaurang's
not.
eyes.
It's no. It would.
She used the word acid.
So what is it called? What is it called?
It's called hyaluronic acid,
this
and
is
it's with
hyaluronic.
niacinamide.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Question. So you said, that if you have dry skin, how do I figure out what my skin is? I'm always sweating.
So it'll depend. So for example, right now, before you do any of your skincare, like before you even wash your face, just touch and see whether it feels oily. If it doesn't feel oily or it feels harsh and it doesn't feel soft, if it doesn't feel soft, that means it's dry. And if it feels oily, it's oily.
Soft.
And that's because you applied some things. I said before you apply.
Yeah,
your,
it's
so
okay.
there's people who
How
have. So there's dry, oily, combination, and normal. So combination, matlab, for example, I have combination. That means this area of mine is oily, but my cheeks are usually dry. So that means it's a combination skin type. But some people have
I
a
have
full
that.
oily across.
Bro, they told
Yeah.
me to put acid on it. You can't recommend
See, this
it.
I can guarantee is a sunscreen because it's yellow
Okay.
or orange or whatever.
At least
Okay.
let me smell it.
Smell, how will you know? Everything is.
Because she just said we don't apply
Bro, I
synthetic
feel like
stuff.
I should get involved if it's getting on my face.
Yeah, I think I'll go
Let's
with
take
sunscreen.
a G,
Sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Have you all seen sunscreens in these packaging?
Never.
I saw
Oh
someone.
yeah, generally
So
that
you
tube.
wanna-
na?
Yeah, that you.
So you're
So wait,
gonna
wait,
think over
let's-
whether
let's-
it's a sunscreen.
See, if it's not a sunscreen, it's a
I
moisturizer.
think that was a hint.
So it's a
This
moisturizer.
is a
Yeah.
moisturizer.
Okay.
Okay, we won.
Can you try to guess what is in the moisturizer?
Vitamin C.
Saffron.
Okay.
It's yellow mango.
Did I-
Why do you get
Mango, because it's
saffron?
yellow. It's seasonal moisturizer.
What? Look at the packaging again. Have a look around.
It's
If
mango,
there's-
it's seasonal moisturizer.
See, it's hydration. It's written over here, and it's got no
It's
SPF.
yellow either saffron.
Oh shit, it's got no SPF. Why did we say
any design element in it, whether it
See, it
gives
feels
you
like
an
a
idea.
lemon, orange, inspired
okay.
product.
Vitamin C night cream serum thing.
Okay.
No, I don't think.
Does that even make sense?
It's my under eye cream.
Okay.
Is it?
So it is a moisturizer. It's for your face. It does have saffron.
Okay.
It also
It has
has
saffron.
it also has honey.
Okay.
And it has kojic acid in it. So not vitamin C, but kojic acid,
Oh,
another
sweet.
form of helping
A
your
lot of
skin
acid.
So
brighten.
this in your eye and this on your
Acid
face.
So that's the space that Ravona is in. We use Indian ingredients, household ingredients,
all these
and
actives.
actives. Yeah, and
This
yeah.
one says glow. This is an overnight cream.
It's pink, so I'm going leaning towards rose.
Okay.
Rose.
Yeah.
You can open it also and see the texture,
Well, if we
see
can
what
smell it, I
is.
can
Yeah.
tell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is rose.
It's rose, yeah.
At
Okay.
least if my senses are working right.
Yeah, bro. This is rose, but like
And it says
this is also
hydrate.
moisturizer.
So this is also moisturizer.
No, I think.
You can also apply it like.
Okay,
it's
let's not give them ideas.
on your hands. It's okay.
Why do they do that line thing? What's the logic?
Swatches
Yeah,
for
these
makeup.
people really lie. Huh?
I feel so rich doing this for some reason. Feel like privileged.
Oh, so what? Like, is moisturizer different for my face? Can I put this on my skin?
So there's different kinds of moisturizers
It's shiny.
again according to what you're looking for. So like that one was honey saffron for brightening.
No, I think this is a sunscreen.
No, it can't be a sunscreen. It's not got SPF.
Acha.
I
Okay.
learned that technique.
No, this is the white.
Yeah, no,
Why?
it can't be SPF.
Okay.
So this is a moisturizer,
That's kind of a hint towards what you think it might be.
and it's got a white. It's got like a glowy.
Thing,
It's a night.
So it
Cream.
basically is our foundation finish cream. It's called
I
the
was
Bright Pink.
About to say foundation, मेरे को word नहीं आ रहा था.
So you put it
Okay,
before
fair.
makeup. I'm assuming.
You
It
can
comes
use
in
it
this-
instead of. So like if you want
Oh, okay.
everyday makeup and you don't want to put like heavy foundations on your skin, it's got a light tint to it. So
Yeah.
you can apply
Okay,
so that your
alright.
skin also
Usually
looks
this comes in
even.
tubes.
What is this,
Because
this
this is a moisturizer, it's in a jar. But yeah, foundations.
fashion.
I don't like the smell of
Yeah,
saffron.
but foundations come in
I feel
tubes.
like saffron feels very royal. Like, if I smell like saffron, I'm
Oh,
so
it's-
Because it is the most expensive spice.
So
Ask
putting
me, I just
spices on my
How much
body
is that for? How much
I
is
just
that?
bought a
for?
lot of saffron.
See the price?
Is this expensive?
Yeah,
You can
see
see
the
the
price
MRP.
downstairs.
Affordable simply.
This is for 800.
The MRP is, yeah. You
And what's the
get some
quantity?
discount. 50 grams, yeah.
Okay, alright.
Wait, this is not expensive.
How much is that?
$500.
So that's because that,
Because this is your, you know how I told you that Ravona is also you can reduce the steps.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
a 2-in-1, 3-in-1.
So this is a
this is our
2-in-1.
3-in-1 kind of thing, where
3-in-1,
you have
okay.
the foundation tint, it's a hydrating moisturizer, and it has alpha-arbutin that kind of helps your skin
okay, and that
over
is
time
just
get better.
only
I like how-
moisturizer.
That's a honey saffron moisturizer, so
I
it's
like how
also good.
convenient this is. Like I can put in my bag.
Huh.
This so I can auto tell. I think we'll win this one very
What
easily.
is-
Body wash, body wash.
No. See this guy. This is aloe
Aloe
vera.
vera. It's,
Body
Aloe vera
wash.
gel or aloe
This
vera.
has to be a body. It's given.
oh
like,
no.
It's not a body wash.
It's a moisturizer.
No,
I think this is
all body
body
applying
wash.
aloe vera.
Guys, you still have scent and you still have texture left. Dekh lo kya hai instead of
Could remove
guessing
some-
from the.
You give us empty bottles, man.
Yeah.
What?
Aloe vera gel.
Yeah, you know that this is,
Aloe vera gel.
I think something which will apply on the skin like a moisturizer.
You have to put
I
this
think
in your
some-
hair.
सही है किसने बोला भी नहीं लगा लिया है
He's already.
Some-
would have just been
Free-
shampoo you never know but ठीक है
This is smelling nice. Huh?
But what does it smell like?
This smells
It
the
like
best
aloe vera.
amongst all these.
I
Yeah.
hope this is Chena. Alex,
This is what my
You're
I
fresh.
want
That's because you told me it's
skincare to smell like.
I already applied it.
No, this is aloe vera all body gel.
Yes.
Am I
I
right?
know what this is. This is so easy.
very close yeah it's a aloe vera based lotion
Lotion.
so it's
Lotion.
gel
I'm
based
safe, I'm safe.
it's also got SPF so
Oh.
it's also sunscreen it's got SPF 30 in
nice.
it
It's a aloe vera sunscreen. I
What's
heard ki
the
when you get
SPF?
sunburn.
SPF 30 so because it's for your body it's a little bit lower because you're anyway covered as much
Can you explain
So-
the difference between 50 and 30?
At
SPF
50, you're like at the last stage of your life. At 30, you're still figuring out.
no
You're gonna get married.
the difference between SPF factors is basically how long it lasts for you and how like because you're in the sun for long so
Longer
for
the
example yeah longer the better so an SPF 30 is a lower factor so maybe it'll last maybe 2 to 3 hours and SPF 50 would last for a 4 to
And
5
can I
hour
expect,
range
like,
so your
SPF 50?
reapplication would be that
Can I expect SPF 50 coming in this?
we can increase it we're getting actually a product which is SPF 50 for the body different cell of texture when it launches I'll send it to you
How
all
it
so it's
smells
going to
is
be
nice.
easier yeah
I think you
it's
should apply
matcha and aloe that's
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it smells like.
Fancy. Okay, so finish your routine. What you think Gaurang should be using on a daily basis? It can be small, long, what you think is actually realistic.
I think the first thing he should do is wash his face.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the
Face
I love
wash.
how cute this packaging is.
Yeah, there are travel size minis.
You can fit in your football bag.
2 in my pocket.
3, try 3.
I just keep it here so that we can remember.
Ah, now give it back.
Do you know what I'm
You have to
carrying
buy
right
it.
now? I'm carrying my full skincare. It's my face wash. What is this?
Moisturizer. And sunscreen. And that's actually I'm assuming the right order as well.
No. Hi.
Oh,
Face wash,
This
moisturizer,
is the big brother.
sunscreen. Yeah, this is the same thing. You can put it in front.
Big brother.
This is a moisturizer too.
Moisturizer with sunscreen.
Yeah. That's a
So
good
you
thing.
get
For your
some-
body.
for your body, yeah.
Yeah.
So 2 in 1. I've
So this
skipped a step.
goes here.
This
Look,
is what
moisturizer. So this is the foundation one, so you can use it
I can get a
Either or.
as a
Pinks.
Yeah.
either this or that.
This is again a moisturizer. So
Again.
Yeah,
So yeah, so-
you have choices based on what flavor you
spoil
like.
for choice. This is again the butter thing.
Makeup
The
butter
cleanser.
remover.
So-
Makeup cleanser.
So actually, this will go with face wash in case you before or after makeup, right?
Yeah.
Let's put this on the side. Side
Yeah.
by side.
Okay.
We know you have to
No,
wash
and we
this.
missed this.
What is that?
But-
serum.
So as I said, think about it realistically. Would you want Gaurang to use it or would
Oh.
Gaurang use this or no?
No, he
Okay.
would not use this.
So, okay, honestly, that is an eye drop. That will take some effort. I would skip that step. I would genuinely want to wash my face, which I already do, so I'm picking these up. Are both of them face washes?
Yeah.
And I only need one. There's no double cleansing required for my.
Okay.
So, chal, one this we've picked.
Mhm.
So now, what is my next step?
Moisturizer.
Yeah, but you use this one.
But which type, like what, depends on what you want out of your moisturizer.
Yeah.
Do you just
I
want
have
it to
very-
hydrate your
I have
skin?
very sticky skin because of the.
I'll give him the
that I
saffron
use.
thing because Saffron is expensive. Expensive is good.
But this has hyaluronic acid.
Yeah, hyaluronic
So
acid.
this
Is that the case in everything? Is
I want something
expensive
organic.
good?
Is it not necessarily?
Okay.
Expensive means that it probably does have expensive ingredients in it, but then brand value also depends. Like if
Yeah.
you're going for Gucci and Gucci's been selling luxury gift bags, it's gonna sell you
Gucci,
luxury
hashtag
skincare.
So yeah, any moisturizer you will use second,
Yeah.
whatever it may
On
be.
the pocket one, it looks nice.
Okay, cool. You can
Okay.
make that stand.
This is my
Sunscreen, you don't have a choice. Is
Yeah.
what that's the only
Have
tip
to.
she gave us, that you have to use sunscreen.
Oh yeah, this is my one thing that I cannot.
You cannot miss.
Yeah.
So you see me pre-match, you see me whip this out of my pocket.
We play in the night.
Oh
This
yeah,
in the
but
night.
in the cities,
Yeah.
And then I think you will apply this on your body.
I don't think so. He will apply this. Will you apply this?
if I'm at home, I feel like before going to sleep, I've taken.
But this texture is really nice.
It smells also really nice.
This is a product. If you use, you would buy. He wouldn't go out and buy. Now
Buy.
he's used it. He'll be like, it's good. I'll
Yeah,
keep
But
it.
yeah, see, now that I know it smells so nice, I
Ah.
know it does two things at once. I'm skipping a step also.
Easy to apply.
Yeah.
This is a when you try, you buy product.
Kind of product. Yeah.
Like-
fair. Thank you for you guys to come in and talk about male self-care. I hope you ended up learning something. At least you
We should
simplified
try to-
your
Yeah.
skincare routine.
Yeah. Thank you for telling us to use sunscreen.
Yeah, with Ravona, we've got a few goodies for you guys to carry back.
Yeah.
Whatever
Let's go.
you've
sir.
liked and would actually incorporate in your routine,
Thank you,
we're
sir.
giving it to you. You can have a look, whatever's inside. But yeah, thank you for coming in and talking about self-care.
So we know what to use,
Taught
when
some,
to use
learned
also.
some. Those are our perfumes. Since
Okay.
you spoke about like perfume and.
Thank you
Okay,
so many.
Thank you.
So do skincare with Rowan or do the ad, man.
Hey
Come on.
guys, this was your favorite skinfluencers using Skinstagram to reach out to you on Skinternet. If you've loved this, if you've liked this, if you hated this, please leave a comment. And buy a Rona and give a genuine, honest review. Thank you so much. Hashtag not an ad.